Hello there! If you are a middle school math teacher struggling with teaching how to find slope when given 2 points, this video is for you. If we don't already know each other, my name is Kathy Martin and I'm the creator of the Prealgebra Teachers Middle School Math membership. We are your one-stop shop for everything you need to teach middle school math. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my 3 easy steps on how to teach finding slope when given 2 points. It is the only way I teach this concept. It is simple, easy, and will make this concept super easy to teach and easy to understand for your students. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you so that you can see my screen, and I'm going to share with you exactly what I do. So let's just say that the points that we're given, we'll just make it really easy. Okay, so we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, step 1 is simply labeling your points. And we know this by this point in our math classes. Our students should know that our coordinate pairs are always labeled XY, XY because, well, coordinate pairs are just simply always labeled XY, XY, right? Now, at the top here, I'm just going to write my equation, or not my equation, but my formula for finding slope when given 2 points. This is the formula that I will be using with my students. So step 1, we're going to label. Step 2, we're going to number the points. Now, I always tell my students, this is set 1, right? And then this is set 2, your second set of numbers. So this is going to be x1, y1, and this is going to be x2, y2, because this is your first set and this is your second set. If it's easier, we can rewrite them so it's a little bit just cleaner. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then labeling and numbering. You know what? I'm going to make this a different color because why not? So then this is x2, y2. And I like doing it xy, xy, and then 1, 1, 2, 2 for my students because it just seems easier for them to understand that this is like set number 1 and this is set number 2. Now that I have my points labeled, I can plug it into my formula, which I will rewrite down here. I have y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. And this is assuming, like, your students can always graph this, and we can graph it at the end to double check. But this is assuming your students are not graphing to find the slope. They're using this formula to find the slope when given 2 points. So now we just have to look, what number is in your y2 spot? That's 4. Okay, so then I have minus, what number is in your y1 spot? That's 2, divided by what number is in your x2 spot? Okay, that's 3. And then what number is in your x1 spot? That's 1. So 4 minus 2 is 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, so my slope should be 1. And if I just drew kind of a very as clean of a graph as I can make it, I'm just freehand here. If I graph these 2 points, my slope should be 1. So my first set is 1 comma 2, so there's my first point, and then my second point is 3 comma 4, so 3 up 4. And if I drew a line here as best as I can make it, yeah, sure, looks like I could go up 1 over 1, and then there would be up 1 over 1, right? So it looks to be correct. And if I had nice graph paper, this would obviously look a lot nicer. But since I don't, this is as good as we're going to get it. So if you would like to grab this template so you can show your students, it's a lot clearer instead of, without my chicken scratch. So we have our slope formula up here. We have an example. We have all 3 steps. And then on the second page actually is a template for your students to plug in, practice labeling, practice numbering, and then they can find the slope. There's 2 examples on this template page. If you would like to grab this freebie, you can use the link right in the description of this video and grab this free resource to use in your classroom today. Thanks so much for joining me. Again, my name is Kathy Martin, and I will see you next time. Bye.